Look at these beautiful zinnias. These come back every year, all of these in here, and they're always pink because any zinnia, even if it was red last year, if it comes back from seed, it's gonna probably be pink. There won't be many. They always revert back. So if you want some different colors, get you some different colors. Buy some new seeds, which I have planted some new seeds. Hopefully they'll start growing and we'll have some different colors this year. But these are so pretty. They're kind of wilted because it's really hot, but I'm not gonna water because tonight is supposed to really rain, and then we're supposed to get rain for like 5 or 6 days, every day, lots of rain. I'll just show you a quick little tour here. Here's the corn's looking good. There's lots of corn on them. Almost ready. Probably we'll have some this week. The zucchini doesn't look good, but it's got some little zucchini. And then I planted some beans here to climb up. See how they're climbing up here? That's called the Three Sisters. That's how the Indians used to plant them. And I just thought that would be lots of fun. We're still getting a few blackberries. And the blueberries, they're not very big, and these bushes are only 2 years old, but they're starting to get ripe. I've had a couple of them. They're really sweet, but they're not very big. I have some, the yellow squash is looking okay. These are sunflowers. And these little bitty dippy, look how many squash are on this little bitty dippy plant. We pulled up the beans. There's the tithonia, the pretty orange flowers, and they're really wilted this afternoon. And these are potatoes, and while Caden's here this week, we're gonna dig the potatoes. You can see some of them have already died, and they're not gonna grow much more anyway, so we'll get those dug up this week. And look, the roses are just putting on those Peggy Martins. I saw a video, or I read somewhere, that Peggy Martin roses came from a lady named Peggy Martin in like Mississippi or somewhere, and there'd been a hurricane, and this rose was underwater for days and days and days or weeks, and it survived and came back, and that's where all the Peggy Martins came from. Not sure if that's true. But here you can see we got lots of tomatoes. Look how many on this little thing here. Just loads of these little ones. These were all volunteers that came back. Have some big ones there. And the tomatoes that I showed the pictures of this week, the great big ones, they were on this bush. And then I have gotten 6 of those pound a piece tomatoes. Unbelievable. We're gonna have some for supper. And here's the eggplant, still doing good. Lots of eggplants. There's one down here on the bottom. It's a big one over there. And look at these tomatoes. They're getting big. Here's one here. We'll probably pick this one maybe tonight because the rain can really mess them up, make them crack. And but I just wanted to share a little bit of the garden. This is May, what is this? 16th or 17th? Maybe I don't know. Maybe the 18th. But I just wanted to share what's going on in the yard and the garden. And we are blessed, and I pray that you are too.